In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to connect Namecheap domain to Netlify. First of all, you need to open your Netlify account and go to your project. You need to look at the left menu and go to the domains. Then click on Add or Register Domain and select Add a domain you already own. Right here, you need to write your domain name. If you don't remember your domain, you can log into your Namecheap account, then click your profile name in the top left corner and go to your dashboard. Right here, you need to go to the domain list and you will see your own domain. So in this case, I'm adding this domain to Netlify, so I will copy the domain name and I will go back to Netlify. So we need to paste the domain right here and click on the verify button. Then click on add domain and click continue again. Now we need to change the name servers. So let's copy the first one and let's go back to Namecheap. We need to click manage across our domain name and right here we will see name servers section. We need to scroll this down and select custom DNS and paste the first name server we just copied. Then we need to copy the second one and paste in the second gap. Then click this plus icon right here and click again because we have got 4 name servers. So let's copy the third one and the last one. After that, you need to click this tick button right here and your name servers will be saved. So as you can see, it needs around 48 hours your domain to connect to Netlify. So let's go back to Netlify, click on done, and let's wait a few hours and our domain will be connected to our Netlify project. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.